Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Shopify theme without losing content. Go to your Shopify website and then open your account, and then you will see here in the options, sales channels. Under that, online store, just click that. Just wait for it to load. As you can see here, you can able to see your current theme that you use in your store. And then if you scroll down at the bottom, you will see themes library and then popular themes. I'm currently using this Dawn theme. So you can see it at the top. This is my current theme, but I'm gonna use this refresh theme. So we're gonna change that to refresh. Just click add. Just wait for it to load and it will automatically go to the theme library. And now it's already done. Just go to publish, click that, and you will see this. This will replace your current theme Dawn. And just click publish. Now just scroll up and then you will see your current theme is already refreshed. Just refresh your website and then you will see the theme. Just wait for it. So here you go, and this is how you can just simply change it without losing a content. I hope this helps. See you on our next video.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.